What's up everyone, it's Ryan back to another video, and I can say I made a little bit of progress because let me tell you, I've done some research how to make it possible and how to make myself an actor. uh, I sh- yeah, I use Twitter uh, for help, and yeah, my Twitter is the first link in the description below. You may follow and share my post that I made to support me to make it happen. And yeah, now we're waiting. This is the another update that I want to give. Uh, yeah, I wanted to make that story happen. Yeah, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel and to make it happen. I'll appreciate it a lot. So it's been Ryan. See you guys in the next video.